Metric units. The metric units for length that you need to know are on the right hand side here. The smallest one is millimeters, which you would use to measure small things like the length of an insect. You've then got centimeters for slightly larger things, perhaps the length of a pen. You've then got meters for larger things still, perhaps the length of a football pitch. And then finally kilometers, which you could use to measure the distance between cities or towns. We then move on to mass. The smallest unit of mass that's metric you need to be aware of is grams. You may use that to measure the mass of an apple. You then move up to larger items like kilograms. You could use this for perhaps your hand luggage going on holiday. And then finally large items you'd use tons, like an elephant. Then we move on to capacity. That's the amount of liquid that would be in a container. The smallest unit for that is milliliters, and you could use this to measure the amount of liquid in, say, a test tube. You've then got centiliters, which you often find on drinks bottles, and finally litres for larger things, perhaps the amount of water in a bathtub. You need to memorise all of these ones shown here, the smallest ones on the left, the largest ones on the right.